Let us start with exercise 6.1. Open your textbook. Those who don't have textbook, please share between two girls. Go 15 or baby and Asmat take book jo. What was the name of the chapter we were studying? Oh, good. Hoshiyar. Hello, girls, come on. Question number 1, exercise 6.1. All of you. Second bench, what are you doing? When we are learning something or when the exercise is going or the explanation is going, I don't want any internal talks. Huh? English power. Thank you. Yeah. Member out of memory. Chalo, come on, girls. Now back to our work. Question number 1. Who will read this question? Yes, first girl, first. Raising the hands. That one. Yes. Chalo, girls. Write opposite of the given things. Increasing weight. Then what will be the opposite of this?
Decreasing.
Decreasing. The first answer will be decrease in. Very good. Chalo, second. Wait. પૈકું તારું તમારા બેનું પછી એવું ન થાય મને મારા કલરમાં આવવું પડે. It is bad. It will be bad for all of you. It's better that to be properly when I'm teaching in the class. બધા જલસા કરાવીશ. બધા જલસા ક્લાસમાં કરાવીશ. But at my time, my things should be done. તારા books ready છે ને બધાની? ચાલો શુકર. ચલો stand up. Second. 30 kilometer north. Who will answer me? Yes, you girl. Very good. 30 kilometer. You should be just having that much grip that how to follow the exercise. Someone present, now you grown up children. Bolo. It's okay. So what to do? Chalo, third question. 80 meter is. Yes. 80 meter west. And loss of rupees 700. Profit of rupees 700. Very good. Profit of rupees 700. And 100 meter above sea level. That one. 100 meter below sea level. Above and below means what? If we take this as the ground floor, are you getting? And नीचे जमीन है हमारी. So above means what? जमीन की थोड़ू ऊपर. Below means what? Are you getting?
Yes.
So what will be the last answer?
Below.
100 meter below sea level. Is that all clear? Then question number 1. Chalo, question number 2. Who will read? First girl. Represent the following numbers as integers with an appropriate sign. Now, who will tell me what are integers exactly? Can anyone from the class who can tell me what are integers? We studied in the explanation part. Yes, stand up. Stand up. What are integers? What are whole numbers? Whole numbers means what? What are whole numbers? I explained you all the chapter. You know what are whole numbers?
Whole number. It's a natural number. 0 to
0 to whole number or whole number plus 0. What is the whole number? अरे even number क्या nonsense. I am not talking about composite and prime numbers. Idiots, आपको chapter में explain किया. You are talking about composite and prime numbers. Composite and prime is different. Even and odd is different. Even and odd means what? Even must go at 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. These numbers are called even numbers. Odd number means what? 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These are all odd numbers. And composite number means what? A number which is belonging to more than 2 tables. ये टेबल करता વધારે टेबल मांगता है ये नंबर composite केवा. Prime means what? A number which is following only in 2 tables. Which are they? Table number 1 and the number itself. For example, 5. The 5 kya table में आवे? 1 5 is 5 and 5 1 is 5. બીજા કોઈ ટેબલ માં 5 આવે? So 5 is said to be prime number. 4 is said to be composite number. Why? Because 4 1 ના ટેબલ માં પણ આવે, 2 ના ટેબલ માં પણ આવે and 4 ના ટેબલ માં પણ આવે. That means it is more than 2 tables. 4 is belonging to more than 2 tables. So if the number belonging to more than 2 tables are said to be composite numbers, and the number which is belonging only in 2 tables, which are they? Table number 1 and the number itself. That means, for example, 7. 7 कोड़ा table में आते हैं. 7s are 7 and 7 1s are 7. So 1 and a number itself मायू. So that is said to be prime number. समझ पड़ी क्या? Are you clear with even and odd and composite and prime? Now I am talking about whole number and natural numbers. What are they? What are whole numbers? What are natural numbers? Yes, who said that? You are right. The number which starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and it goes on to infinite. This is the symbol of infinite. Understood? No limit time. You can count up till you want to count. That all numbers are said to be whole number. Understood? Now what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to infinite. If you remove 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to infinite are said to be natural numbers. So you clear with the difference between even and odd numbers? You clear with the difference of the topic composite and prime numbers? Are you clear with the topic whole numbers and natural numbers? We can say all whole numbers. All whole numbers. We can say all natural numbers are whole numbers. Natural number બધા whole number માં આવે છે. Girls, બટ બધા હોલ નંબર્સ નેચરલ નંબરમાં કયો નંબર નથી આવતો Have you clear with this topic? Okay. So fifth standard સુધી તમે જે નંબર લાઈન સ્ટડી કરેલી ને એ કેવી હતી? It was starting from 0 1 2 3 4 5 it goes. Are you getting? समझ पड़ी गई? If you take out your scale, you will be able to get that will be your whole number. Check the scale. That is your number one. Scale જે છે ને તમારી એમાં જો તમે લાવો scale આપો. You will be seeing yourself with 0 centimeter here or ખાલી centimeter લખેલું હશે. A big line. આ scale ના corner ની line અંદર છે. Starting from that to the end of this scale, you will be able to see a number line. Understood? समझ पड़ी गई girls? So, आज हमें fifth standard का करता है. क्या करता था? હવે આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? Integers. Now, what are integers? These are said to be positive numbers. This is said to be 0. So can I say that positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 are said to be integers? समझ पड़ी कि what are integers? The numbers, the positive numbers, the negative numbers and 0 which is placed on the number line are said to be integers. Are you clear? Yes. હવે આપણે શું કરવાનું છે? Come back to exercise 6.1 question number 2. શું અહીંયા આવો? બોલ. બોલ. જલ્દી don't waste my time. તો શું છે આ રાઈટ છે તો આ is it correct? Check here. Chalo, question number 2. Who is going to read this? Yes, sir.
Represent the following number and
Yes. R છે.
represent the following number and
Integers. આપણે integers ભણીએ તો
integers
with appropriate sign. બેનો વાત જલ્દી ફટાફટ. Don't waste time. આટલું રીડ કરતા નથી આવી.
flying at a height 2000 meters above the ground.
Chalo, who will answer me for this? An aeroplane is flying at the height 2000 meters above ground level. Above the ground level. First answer. Plus 2000 meters. Very good. If you write plus, it's okay. If you don't write plus, it will be considered as plus 2000 only. Are you getting? समझ पड़े છે? જ્યારે માઈનસ લખવાનું હોય, it is compulsory that you have to write side. Are you getting? Yes. अगर माइनस वाળું હોય ને માइनस ન લખેલું હોય, it will be converted to positive automatically. It will be considered as a positive integer. Are you getting? Now, sir, કેવી રીતે plus 2000 આવ્યું? Ground level is where? At 0 meter. Now, aeroplane क्या है? जमीનમાં ચાલે? જમીનની નીચે ચાલે? તો above the ground level. So they are saying 2000 meter above the ground level. So ground के ऊपर છે તો it will be positive. Yes or no? समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં? Same way, second, a submarine is moving at a depth 800 meter below the sea level. Now this is your ground level. For example, this is your sea level. So below the sea level means नीचे, if the positive integers are on the top, तो 0 की नीचे શું હશે? Negative integers, so it will be 800 meter minus 800 meter. Understood? चलो third. ए भाई third सब बाकी है. A deposit of rupees 200. Wait. Now, how many of you are aware of the word deposit and withdrawal? Banking व्यवहार कोने आवड़े છે? Banking transaction માં ખબર પડે? Okay, one or two child. Let me explain you now. સર મેં આવડતું નથી હો, ખાલી શીખું છું. This one is you, individual, everyone. कोई personally नाम नहीं. And this one is your mom. Okay. આ કોણ છે? તમે લોકો. અને આ કોણ છે? Okay. હવે તમે લોકો બધું પૂરું હો. જ્યારે એક્સપ્લેન કરતો જ્યારે કાઈ ન જોવે. All three of you. Last warning. When ચલો ઈદ આવી. Okay. ઘરમાં પપ્પા તમને લોકો તમને બધાને તમારા ભાઈ બહેન તમને બધાને લઈને બધા શું આપ્યું? 1000 રૂપિયા આપ્યા. વાહ બે વાહ. તમે 1000 કોણે આપી દીધા? તમારા 1000 તમે મામા ઘરે આવ્યા. મામા આમ લોકો તો જાય નહીં. જાય જાય મામા ઘરે બેટા બસ ऐसा. ઓકે અચ્છા એ કોણે આપી દીધા તમે? મમ્મી. તો મમ્મી પાસે તમારા ટોટલ અમાઉન્ટ કેટલી થઈ ગઈ? અરે क्या છોકરીઓ છે બાપા. 1500 બરાબર? સમજ પડી ગઈ કે નહીં? હવે સ્કૂલમાં પિકનિક આવી 2021 માં કોરોના વિરોધ થયો. Now you have to pay 1200 rupees in the school for your picnic. મમ્મી મને ઓલામાંથી 1200 રૂપિયા મને પિકનિકમાં જાવું. ઓકે મમ્મી કે જા જયા. મમ્મીએ શું કર્યું? તમને કેટલા રૂપિયા આપી દીધા એમાંથી? 1200. So મમ્મી શું કરશે તમારી બેલેન્સમાં? મમ્મી પાસે તમારા હવે કેટલા પૈસા પડ્યા છે? હવે આ થઈ હવે coming back to our topic. Whatever you were having, you were giving to your mom. Let's suppose you are giving to your mom, that amount is said to be deposit. શું કર્યું તમે? તમારી બેલેન્સમાં ઇન્ક્રીઝ કર્યું. શું કર્યું? You were not having a single penny. You gave 1000 rupees to your mom. Then again, you gave 500 to your mom. So your total amount balance was what? समझ पड़ी गई? Yes. Now instead of your mom, you are you only. Instead of your mom, let's suppose this is your bank. Okay. बैंक માં જે પૈસા તમારા એકાઉન્ટ માં જમા કરાવો છો એને શું કહેવાય? તો ડિપોઝિટ કરીએ શું થાય? શું થાય? આ શું થાય? પ્લસ થાય. Whatever we deposit, it has to be. Now you took 1200 rupees for your picnic. So bank gave you your 1200 back to you. So bank શું કરશે? This is what bank માંથી ઉપાડ્યા એટલે શું કહેવાય? When you withdraw the amount, what will be the sign that bank will use? Is that all clear about withdrawal and deposit? समझ पड़ी गई? So question number 3, a deposit of rupees 200. A word, what it is used? Deposit. So what will be the answer? Plus 200 rupees. Yes? Then fourth one. Withdrawal of rupees 700. You clear with question number 2? Question number 3. Chalo. Mira Arpa. How many of you are online regularly? You are answering me. Online तो घनी बड़ी छपी है वो 3-4 छोकरी ना नाम જ ઓળખું એક મીરા આલ્ફા વેરી મુસ્કાન આ મુસ્કાન છે ઓકે પછી બીજું કોણ ઈમાન ફાતિમા ઓકે કુલસુમ હા કુલસુમ વેરી કોણ છે હા ઇન્સિયા ઈમાન ફાતિમા Ramjan Insia she was answering two कार्ड तो xerox कहता है नाजिया ओके हाँ बोला ओको गुआरो ओको तू इतने चलो now come on now okay हाँ ये पूरा तो okay guys back to our work question number 3 chal your name Kulsum stand up and read question 3 yeah are you did me degree right your father is my friend
इसके पास मेरे फ्रेंड मेरे डैडी के भी फ्रेंड
कौन question number 3 fast represent the following numbers on the number line thus there are 5 sums given here A B C D E yes or no all of you in your fair book have to do a number line separately for all 5 of them samjha you girls right now on board I am going to do one number line and I am going to represent all 5 integers on a single number but your job is to draw all 5 different number lines to represent all 5 different sums separately got it repeat नहीं करूँ पड़ा जाएगा पक्कू ओके चलो बीता A what are the integers tell me 5 4 direct है so plus 5 minus something minus 5 minus 4 plus 5 minus 10 plus 1 या minus 1
and minus 6
चलो 6 so all 5 sums separately to be done in your fair book okay I am drawing a number line तो ये तो खबर क्या है સૌથી મોટો નંબર હોય સૌથી મોટો નંબર એ પ્લસ વાળો નંબર yes or no જે કોઈ તમારું right side means this side all the positive integers are you getting and towards that side negative integer. આ બધું લખવાનું નથી હો ભાઈ. Girls, this is for your understanding. I am drawing this. So this side towards left side, all the negative integers. Now every time it is not compulsory. કે બંને side 10 સુધી લેવાનું, 12 સુધી લેવાનું, 8 સુધી not at all. આપણે પેલો શું નંબર જોવે છે? 5. Are you getting? So આપણે પોઝિટિવ જોવે છે. So negative માં formalities માટે બે ઇન્ટીજર લઈ લેવાના, -1 and -2. Because on a number line is incomplete until and unless you have two arrows at the end. Okay, compulsory you should have 0 on a number line. You should show that negative integers as well as positive integers. Then only your number line is completed. Understood? Number line complete kara થાય? 2 and arrows. Understood? 0, negative integer and positive integer. Okay? So -10 આ સાઈડ જવાનું છે, +8. That means I will take +10 and -11. એક integer વધારે. -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. Alright. Now what is the first integer? +5. So when it's +5, we have to mark like this. Therefore, at that conclusion, +5 is represented on a number line. The first answer number A is O. समझ पड़ी गई क्या करवाना चाहिए? Any doubt? હવે સર આટલી મોટી બધામાં કરવાની? No, that is what I have explained. +5 જવાનું છે. So you can take up to -1 and -2 and take up till 6. That's it. This is your first number. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं? How to draw? Yes. Then second integer is -10. So -11 સુધી તો તમને આવવું પડશે. But positive માં +2 સુધી જાઓ, it's okay. No need of going up to 8, 10, 12. સમજ પડી ગઈ? જેટલી જરૂર હોય એટલું લેવાનું. Got it? So second is -10. What is -10? -10 is here. So we will mark -10. So at the end of second sum, in conclusion, you have to write -10 is represented on the number line. Got it? Yes. Third, what is third sum? +8. That is +8. Then all 5 sums are ready for you in one single sum. And your job is not to do like this. You have to do what you don't understand. Yeah? जहाँ तक चाहिए वहां तक. If we require +5, तो 6, 8 इंटीजर ज्यादा लिखेंगे और कुछ नहीं. कंपलसरी શું છે? નેગેટિવ ઇન્ટીજર હોવા જોઈએ, પોઝિટિવ ઇન્ટીજર હોવા જોઈએ, and 0 હોવો જોઈએ. બોથ નંબર લાઈન કમ્પ્લીટ થાય. બાકી ન થાય. Is that clear? હવે +5 સુધી જવાનું છે. તો આપણે નંબર લાઈન એવી રીતે ડ્રો કરવાની છે. અહીંયા 6 ભલે આવે. 0 અહીંયાથી સ્ટાર્ટ કરવાનું. It will be -1 -2. This is for formalities. સમજ પડી ગઈ? You want positive, we will go positive integers only. समझ पड़ी गई? We want to mark +5, so +5 is ready. Number line is correct. Why? Because both the add arrows are there. You got presented with negative integers. You have 0 and you are having पॉजिटिव समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं? अच्छा अरे चलो ये भाई जो बॉटल बोतल હોય તો હવે કઈ તમે નાના છોકરાને કયો કે બાટલા ઉપર ફ્રી કરીને મને પૂછતા નહીં યાર ફીલિંગ ઇરિટેટિંગ હા બાટલી હોય તો પી લેવાનું પાણી ઇટ્સ ઓકે યુ આર ગ્રોન અપ તરસ લાગે તો પીશો ને આમને તો પોલી પોલી સીધા નહીં કરવા મોટા થઈ ગયા ને કે હજી સેકન્ડ ફળમાં છો કોરોનામાં યાદ નથી રહ્યું કે હજી ફળમાં જ છીએ મોટા થઈ ગયા તો પછી and whenever I am explaining the things in the class, I don't want any disturbance. Please, my nature is somewhat different. Disturb now, तो मतलब तकलीफ पड़े. मारो irrigation type of चलो. Any doubt up to question number 3? We gonna continue from question number 4 in our next lecture. And આ સ્પીડ માં જશું તો પોર્શન બનશે આપણે સ્પીડ પકડવી પડશે today was first day for explanation also I went on already I explained the whole chapter but this is not going to work anymore all of you should be crystal clear in our mind you have to be on the top to be ready to solve the sums that's it is it clear chalo khuda hafiz everyone